In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can erase everything here on your laptop. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, but essentially you need to go ahead and get loaded into your PC or laptop and essentially just go over to this little search bar, select it and type in reset this PC. Select it and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You can also get to it by going to your settings and then going to system and then recovery. But essentially, once you're on this page, go ahead and select Reset PC or Reset This PC. And you're going to see two different options. You're going to see Keep My Files, which removes all of your apps, but it's going to keep your personal data. And then, of course, Remove Everything, which completely wipes the laptop. Now, to erase everything, you do have to choose Remove Everything, just like so. And then from here, you have to pick between cloud download to reinstall your Windows, which uses internet, or local reinstall to re-download Windows, which uses your files on your device. Go ahead and choose this and then review what will be removed. Hit next and confirm and your laptop will restart and start wiping all of your data. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.